This is our disclaimer. Ev and Ray are not professional dryer vent cleaners. We just followed what we saw on YouTube. Contact your local dryer vent cleaner for any professional advice.
Our dryer is detecting a clog in our duct, and I got this thing on Amazon so we could clean it out.
Oh my gosh. We just emptied this vacuum and now it's all filled. Tell us, what did you do?
I had to stick this thing inside of the dryer vent to clear it out because it was always giving us some kind of like warning. It had a really good sensor, so it was saying that we weren't clearing out our little thing, our filter. So, but we cleared it from here, but we were figuring out maybe something was going on here. So I had already purchased this thing, and
what is that called?
It's a thing.
It's a thing? Sounds good.
And you could buy it on Amazon.
Mm-hmm.
So what you do is you connect it slowly, attach the one end to the drill. You have to go clockwise. If you were going the opposite direction, it would just all undo.
What's up? There's the screws, and then hook it up together. Hook one up together. Okay, slowly. There.
Righty tighty, lefty loosey for you non-hardware people.
Righty tighty.
Lefty loosey. So as you see, you stick it inside for a little bit and it'll spin. You don't have to go crazy on your drill because I mean this is it, I don't think it'll bust a hole, but I think if you try hard enough you probably could destroy your vent. So it's gonna turn up, you know, like this as you go in. And the good thing about this, these are very flexible. And as you know, I've worked with wire before doing camera installations, and these would actually have been helpful because we were using other things. But so what happens is when it goes inside of this the vent, you start to push it, it's turning just like that. I only turned that thing for like another 30 seconds.
Shoot, that thing is super clogged then.
Yeah, it's like we're doing surgery. So nurse, please dispose of that.
You're doing a rotor-rooter.
I did a rooter.
Oh, I'm your assistant, huh?
Yep.
That's the second one we filled up.
My rate is $500. So Evelyn will be paying me.
What about me? I had to empty out the
Oh no,
vacuum.
My assistant was whining. I'll just buy her lunch.
We had to empty it out like how?
I can't empty your lice.
I had to go to the trash can, empty it out, then we got a bag, and then empty it out, and then we probably emptied out the container 10 times. That's how much dust was in there.
Thank you, assistant, for being there for me emotionally.
Open the bag. Let's see what's in there. There's bags. Bags of this.
So,
Gross. Gross. Yuck. And they came out in chunks.
yeah.
They really came out in chunks. And there's still more of this in the trash can.
So my recommendation, if you're gonna do it, have this with you. Have a shop vac where it can actually accommodate more.
Not this.
Not a Dyson.
Not a Dyson. This didn't. Yep. It really plugged up fast.
Yeah.
here it is, the thing right there. That's how it looks like, and it has all these attachments. But this is what was used. I hope you enjoyed looking at or watching the shorter version. The first time we did it, we didn't have any masks on, and yeah, we should have wore a mask. But the second time we did it, we just made sure we had our respirator on. There wasn't as much lint, of course, because we just cleaned it, and that's fine. But I hope you enjoyed watching our show, our little video on how we cleaned our dryer vent, and I hope to see you soon on our upcoming video. And just remember to like and subscribe so that you'll get notified when we upload new videos. All right, see you soon. Bye.